Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I will discuss about SOP. The most important thing those candidates who are really want to join in premier institute like IIT, IIMs, you should give SOP during your application. Okay, because this is very important document. Okay, so in this video you will get a very important information, very important information. So guys, if you want to learn something from me, okay, so I will give you all the details related to SOP writing. What are the parameters you should give in your SOP? Okay, so that the SOP will be very good. Okay, so if you want to uh, if you want to write a good SOP, you should watch this video till the end. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. Okay, so this is the question: how to write statement of purpose for higher education in our country like India. Okay, if you want to join in premier institute like IIT, IIMs, okay, so you should write a good SOP, because on the basis of that, okay, so the professors will select you. You will be shortlisted on the basis of your SOP. Okay, and all the professors will ask question on the basis of SOP. So SOP is a very important document. Okay, that will be required for your application to higher education system. So these are the some parameters, these are some important parameters you should remember during your writing SOP. Okay, so I will tell you some important parameters, that is like point number 2. Okay, so why student is interested in particular course? It means that suppose you are going to write a good SOP. Okay, so you should remember this point. Okay, you should remember this point. Why? Because in your SOP you should mention that why you are interested in particular course, like you are going to apply MA in development studies, MA in development studies. Okay, or like if you want to pursue like MS research program in cognitive science in IIT Kanpur. Okay, you should write why you are really joined, why you are interested in that course. Okay, so suppose you are interested in research, if you want to go for PhD in IIT Gandhinagar. Okay, so you want to join like the English domain. Okay, so you should uh, mention that why you are interested in that particular domain of research in IIT Gandhinagar or IIT Bombay and so on. Okay, so you should remember this point. Like third point is also very important: why student is interested in particular institute, university or college. And you should mention that like why you really want to join that particular course as well as particular institute. Okay, so now this why student is interested in particular research field. Okay, so research field or study, you have to mention in your SOP that why you are really interested in that particular area or particular field. Okay, you should mention all these three important points. Okay, these are major important points you should remember. Okay, if you want to learn something from me, you should watch this video till the end, because I will give you a sample paper. Okay, I will give you a sample SOP. Okay, and look, when you are going to uh, apply in a particular research field, you should choose a particular professor like whose profile will match, okay, with your area of interest. It means that you should select one or two professor, okay. And why you should like, if you want to if you want to write a particular area, you should mention that. If you want to approach to any professors, okay, so you should mention that why particular professor. Like, during your interview you are telling like, I want to work under these professors, okay, because I am interested in that field, okay. So you should mention that why you are interested in that why you are interested in that area of that professor, okay. So you should mention all the reasons, okay. So now, what are the completion, like what after completion of this course, you should also write some sentence about what your like what you will do after your course. It means that they are really want to know, like what is your like vision after your course, okay. So why he is more suitable for this course, okay. So you should also remember, when you are going to write a SOP, so you should remember this point, because they will select you on the basis of SOP, and they will take interview on the basis of SOP. It means that, like, they will take you they will take you, okay. Why they will take you, you should you have to prove yourself in front of the of this of that panel, okay. Okay, so these are the some important question you should answer during your writing. You should make a different para or paragraph, okay, during your writing, and I will show you a sample SOP, and that is very important. That will be very very good for you, because why, i'll I will tell you the reason why. Wait for a moment, guys, okay. I think you are able to see this, okay. So I have I had written this SOP. One second, guys. I had written this, why I had, like, I had written this SOP in 2020, okay. Okay, for like ms program ms program in management in IIT Hyderabad, okay. Sorry, Indian Institute of IIT Madras, okay. So even I had applied in many IIMs, and I got like calls from three or four IIMs, okay. IIM Lucknow, IIM Calcutta, and IIM Indore, okay, and IIT Madras also, because I think this SOP will give you the most important idea about how to make a good SOP, okay. Like I will tell you every details, okay. So when you will read this para, okay, so get you will get an good idea, okay. Why? Look, first of all, I want to tell you, this is not a research proposal, this is a statement of purpose, okay. This is statement of purpose, okay. You should remember this, okay. So it was like doc format, okay. So I wanted to change it, okay. But one more important thing, you should not copy this, because in IIT IIT Madras and so on, I used even in IIT Delhi also, okay. I used this SOP, okay. So you please you should not copy any part of this. You should take idea from this SOP, okay. Look, doctoral study, this is the introduction part, okay. This is introductory part, okay. So doctoral study is a significant milestone in perpetual journey, okay, for education and the base exposure to this world, to have a worthy platform to prove the skill and knowledge that I have learned. Okay, this statement is an endeavor to project my credential as aspiring researcher, my achievement as postgraduate. Okay, so my interest in this doctoral program, okay, and my ambition. So you will get a good idea how to how you can give like introductions. Okay, so it was my introductions. Okay, so next, my interest in higher education. In this part, I told like why I was interested. Okay, so my interested in higher education like MS research or PhD program is due to my inclination towards academics, because I wanted I want to be a professor. Okay, so that is why I mentioned this line. Okay, I think this information will be really helpful. One second. Look, so my interest in higher education, okay, you can put it here like PhD program, MS research and others also. So my interest in higher education is due to my inclination towards academics. I want to pursue a career in research. Okay, I believe that my present knowledge of MSc and B.Ed may not be sufficient for me to pursue academic career in research. I also want to know further. Okay, further learn more in my favorite area. So you are getting like idea. Okay, so this like I have mentioned like uh, my academic qualification. Okay, and different exams. Okay, so in this part I had correlated, okay, uh, with the with my study and why I am applying this. And in this part already I have mentioned like my area of interest. Okay, so my area of interest, why I want to join this area. Okay, I have mentioned all this. Okay, and look this area. Okay, so in this area I have mentioned that why I want to join your institute, why I want to join your institute. Okay, okay, join your institute. You can get from this para. Okay, and last para, in this you will get some idea why I want to join that institute, why I want to join this program, what are my like vision for in future. Okay, what I want to do in my future. Okay, if you like when you will read all this part, you will get a complete idea. The question I told you here. Okay, you will get all this okay from this part. Okay, so from this part, look, in this part I have mentioned like it was my this part was about my academic qualification. Okay, in this part like as I am from life science background and completed B.Ed in education, so I have like read behavioral science, neurobiology, basic biology. It means that why you want to join that particular course. Okay, so you should correlate with your area of interest and your uh, previous knowledge. You should uh, remember that. Okay, you should remember that why you want to join that particular course, what are the correlation. Okay, so during my this course I had read I had read like different subjects related to like behavioral science. Okay, so that is why I have mentioned, and it was my experience. So if you have any experience like I have worked as a biology educator for 2 years in a residential private school in Howrah, West Bengal, and also have been tutoring students for last 8 years. So it was my experience. So I have mentioned that. Okay, so this part, my area of interest where I want to really work, and this part why I want to join that institute, and in this part you will get some idea why I want to join that institute, and so on. Okay, and I think this information will be really helpful. And with this SOP, I got 3 calls from 3 IIMs, 3 IIMs. Okay, so 3 IIMs like IIM Calcutta, IIM Calcutta, IIM Lucknow, IIM Lucknow, IIM Indore. I got from this institute. Okay, so this and due to pandemic situation, okay, due to pandemic situation, I was not able to join all this institute. Okay, so I was not so prepared during with I was not I was not well prepared for that type of interview. Okay, so you should mention everything with in your SOP, so that you will be able to convince all the professors, and on the basis of this SOP, you will be able to get a call from the institute like IIT. Okay, even IIT Madras. Okay, I had applied IIT Madras for MS research program. Okay, MS research program like IIT Madras. Okay, IIT IIT Madras. Even I got a call from this institute. So I think this information will be really helpful. If you want to learn something from this video, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, and if you want to read something, I am uh, like you can pause this video. Okay, and you can take a screenshot. And one more important thing, please don't copy this. Okay, because already I had submitted it many IITs, many IIMs. Okay, so you should not copy this. Okay, okay, so because why I am telling this, like all the IITs have particular software. Okay, when you will give this, they can check. Okay, this file they will upload in that software. Okay, they will check how much you uh, you are copying. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, if you want to know more about this, you should ask me. You can call me in my numbers. Already I had given my WhatsApp number and email ID. You can call me. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, if you like this video, please the like button, and please don't uh, forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. uh, okay, so okay, tata, bye bye from my side, and all the best, and thank you for watching this video, and Bande Mataram, Jai Hind.